Login failed on PeerStreet App Fix. You open the PeerStreet app, ready to check your real estate investments, but instead of your dashboard, you're hit with a login failed message. Annoying, right? But before you panic, here's the good news: this problem is almost always easy to fix. First, check your internet connection. PeerStreet relies on a stable and secure signal to connect with its servers. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or toggle airplane mode on and off. Even a minor network hiccup can cause login errors. Next, make sure your app is fully updated. Open the App Store or Google Play, search for PeerStreet and hit Update if available. Many login failures come from using older app versions that are no longer compatible with PeerStreet's current security settings. Then, verify your login credentials. If you recently changed your password or use a password manager, try typing it manually. Also, double-check that caps lock isn't on. If you still can't log in, tap Forgot Password to reset it through your email. If that doesn't work, clear the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, PeerStreet Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, simply delete and reinstall the app to clear out temporary files that might be corrupted. Also, check if you're using a VPN or proxy. PeerStreet may block connections from masked IP addresses for security reasons. Disable your VPN and try again. It often solves the issue right away. And finally, if all else fails, it might not be you. PeerStreet servers sometimes go offline for maintenance. Try logging in through their desktop site. If that doesn't work either, just wait a little. Once maintenance ends, logins usually work again immediately. So if your PeerStreet app says login failed, don't worry. Follow these steps: check your internet, update the app, re-enter your credentials, clear your cache, and disable your VPN. With these quick fixes, you'll be back to monitoring your investments and earnings in no time.